Yeah, good health,
Yeah.
just, peace. And yeah, I think more, maybe more time to be given with, all of us together, because most of the time Saif is shooting, then I'm at home, then I'm working now, then he's at home. So I think more collective time together.
And you've spoken about how you're breaking stereotypical thought processes. A long way to go.
I think now, because the time that we're in, I think, and the kind of actors and actresses that I've been interacting with, I think we women are very, very sure-footed, very, very strong. The kind of choices that all the girls are making, I think are extremely like out there and brave. I think so. I'm happy that people are also looking at it. The shift is that no one's really even saying, "Acha, कि women centric film hai." I would like everyone, and I think more or less everybody, like the cool people, are like Bebo, Tabu, all of it, but it's not like hero heroine kind of thing. So I'm happy that this is we've at least reached there. I
Yeah.
mean, we've come along.
Thing.
Exactly. The
Yeah.
normalization is that the fact is that yeah, it's a film.
Right.
What's the big deal? And men, men, women, hero, heroine. Why does it matter?
Yeah.
What matters is how funny the film is, or how good the movie is matters.
Yeah.
No, I think as long as it's all creative, I think it's something that I enjoy doing.
Yeah.
Acting, of course, is something that I just it comes naturally. I love it. It's my passion, and the thing is that obviously working for so long, one has to keep trying different things and reinventing themselves in different forms of create. I'm going to make my debut on the OTT platform as well this year in August. So I'm looking forward to that. So, I mean, the whole idea is that to just keep challenging myself as well as balancing motherhood at the same time.